Tales from the Deep Freeze Part 2. Minced Beef Curry Bunny Chow. South African Durban grandmother styles. Coming up on the Humble Yum Yum.
Humble yum yum.
Humble yum yum. Humble yum yum. Humble yum yum. Humble yum yum.
Hey guys, welcome to the Humble Yum Yum. That's right, this is the place where you find global food that doesn't cost the world. And over here, we cook for 4 people for under 20 bucks, and we do it in one pot or one pan. Today we travel to the past, to my grandma when she grew up in Durban, South Africa, where they invented this dish called the bunny chow. What is that? It's a curry that goes inside a loaf of bread, and it was inspired by these ingredients that I found in the freezer. The bread, the mince, the rest of these ingredients, really easy to find. Let's get into it, Grandma Stars. Let me show you how to carve a sourdough loaf and turn it into a bowl. That's right, that is the bunny chow. See what I mean? It's like a bowl. And seriously, if you put that in the middle of the table, the family will look at you like they don't know who you are, which will be fantastic, right? And when they go, Mom, Dad, what's that? You go, it's Ganesh's grandma's Durban bunny chow. And they go, what? You tell them. Tell them the whole story. They'll like it. Cut it up. You serve it to your family. This one's for you, Grandma.